Good morning. We're going to continue our work with capitalizing proper nouns, and we are also going to work on inserting commas into sentences today. On page 45, we have capitalizing proper nouns, and it says when a proper noun is the name of an organization, capitalize each important word. I can think of businesses like we used to have Tons of Fun in Helena. Tons of fun, and tons and fun are both capitalized in the name Tons of Fun, the name of the business, but the word of is not capitalized because it's not considered an important word in that title. And you'll notice that when we write FBI, FBI stands for Federal Bureau of Investigation, and you'll see that the O is not included. It's just FBI, not FBOI, because of is not considered an important word in the title. And you capitalize each of the letters in that acronym, FBI. The activity says rewrite each sentence on the line and capitalize the proper noun. Well, we're going to do it a little different again because I don't think you really need to rewrite all of the sentences, but I do want to make sure that you're identifying the proper nouns. So let me get rid of my names over here, examples that we used, and we're going to go ahead and do number 1 together. We are going to identify the proper nouns, and the way that we're going to identify them is we're going to underline them, and you're going to just write just the noun on the line. We have the word Richie. Richie is the name of a person, so capital R-I-T-C-H-I-E. And I'm going to put a comma just to separate them. My next word is Alicia, because it's a proper noun and it needs to be capitalized. A-L-E-E-S-H-A. Founded the Middle School Jump Club. Well, the Middle School Jump Club is the title of their club. And it's going to be Middle School Jump Club. And those are all going to need to be capitalized. So we have middle, M-I-D-D-L-E. We have school, S-C-H-O-O-L. We have jump, J-U-M-P. And then we have club, C-L-U-B. And you can see that I capitalized each of those words because those are proper nouns. And we didn't need the Middle School Jump Club, just Middle School Jump Club. Go ahead and finish that page. Remember, you do not need to write out each sentence or rewrite each sentence. Just underline the proper nouns, or the acronyms that we're looking for, and then write them with the capital letters. You can pause the video here and finish 2 through 7. Our second page is commas in sentences. And we talk about commas in sentences. It's a natural pause in a sentence or where we're separating certain information from the rest of the sentence. And we have a list here of places where you use commas in your sentences in your writing. And one of the places is after introductory words such as yes, no, and well. And an example of that would be over here where it says yes, comma, I will go to the game with you. And that's an introductory word. They're also used to set off a noun in a direct address. And what they mean by direct address is you're speaking to a specific person. So here it says, Carla, comma, will you come to the game with me? And so it's a direct address is speaking to a specific person. You also use commas when you're working with items in a series. And the example for that is the girls wear multicolored shirts, skirts, and shoes. So we have shirts, comma, skirts, comma, and shoes because you have multiple items. Those are items in a series. You also have we also use commas when we're writing dates, and we use a comma after the actual day. So the championship game is on October 3rd, comma. And you can see where you use a comma there, October 3rd, so it comes after the day, 2014. We also use commas in the names of specific places like Helena, comma, Montana. Here we have the game will be played in Chicago, comma, Illinois. And so it's Chicago followed by a comma. It says add commas where they're needed. You're not rewriting anything in 1 through 5. You're just adding the comma in where you need to add it. Number 1 says the team traveled to Chicago, Boston, and New York this year. Yes, those are places. However, this is items in a series. And so we are going from Chicago, they're traveling to Chicago, comma, Boston, comma, and New York this year, because you've got 3 different places that they're traveling. 2 through 5, you're just adding the commas in. And numbers 6, 7, and 8, you're actually going to have to write the sentence for me, and you're going to have to combine sentence to form a series. And what I mean by that is you can see that you have 3 sentences in number 6. It says Stacy bought leggings, period. Stacy bought a costume, period. Stacy bought dance shoes, period. Well, all you need to do is add those items as a series followed by commas. So it would be Stacy bought leggings. Let me write this. Stacy bought leggings, comma, a costume, comma, and dance shoes. And that's just how you would combine them in a series, because you don't need to continue to say Stacy bought, Stacy bought, Stacy bought. So Stacy bought leggings, comma, a costume, comma, and dance shoes. You can go ahead and finish 7 and 8 on your own. When you've completed these 2 pages, please make sure you attach your work and turn them in. Thank you.